How to stop Roblox crashing. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Solution 1. Reboot your PC. For that, click on the start icon given at the bottom left corner. Now click on this power icon. Now click on this option of restart. Once you restart your PC, your problem will be fixed. Solution 2. You have to completely uninstall Roblox app from your PC and again reinstall it. For that, launch your settings app. Now head towards the option of apps. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find different apps. Head towards the app Roblox. Once you find it, just click on it. You'll get this option of uninstall. Go ahead and click on it. After you uninstall this app, again reinstall it. Once completion of this process, your problem might be fixed. Solution 3. You have to clear cache for your Roblox app. At the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll find this search box. Over there, type in run. Once app appears, open it. Now type in %local app data % and click on OK. With that, a new window will open up. Now over here, you're gonna find different files. Head towards the file Roblox. Once you find it, you have to delete it. Right click on the file Roblox. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of delete. After you delete this file, your problem will be fixed. Applying all these solutions, your problem will